Hello, my dear students. Hope you all fine and safe. Students, in our previous class we have learnt naming words. The names of persons, places, animals and things are called naming words or nouns. I hope you all understood the topic very well. Children, you all know that animals like dogs, cats, rabbits, cows, goats, etc. are called as pet animals. These pet animals helps the people in many ways. Especially they reduce the stress of the people and don't let the people feel lonely. It is said that these animals helps to control the blood pressure. So nowadays these animals are part of the family, part of the family. Today, in our class, we are going to learn a poem that is about a pet cat, okay, and a girl and her pet cat. Under the topic, I love little pussy. I love little pussy. Students, I am going to read this poem. You have to listen carefully. I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm. And if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail, nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. I shall sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. I love little pussy. Her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail nor drive her away, but pussy and I very gently will play. I shall sit by the fire and give her some food, and pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little pussy very much. Students, I am going to explain this poem. I love little pussy. I love little pussy. I means we I means girl. She says she loves little pussy. Little pussy means her pet cat. She says she loves her little pussy. Okay, look at this picture. You can see. She loves her little pussy. Okay. Her coat is so warm. Her coat is so warm. Her means who? Her means cat. Coat means fur. Fur covering its body. Okay. Coat is so warm. If you touch, you feel warm. And if I don't hurt her, and if I don't hurt her, she says that I don't hurt her means she doesn't hurt the cat. Look at this. Hurting means beating. Okay. And if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. Even she also not harming her. If she doesn't hurt, even the cat is not harming her. Okay. So I will not pull her tail. She says she's not pulling her tail, like pulling, tail is cat has a tail, pulling it. So she gets hurt. But she said she is not pulling her tail, nor drive her away. Okay, drive her away means pushing like this, pushing away. But this girl says she doesn't drive her away, doesn't drive her away. She's not doing like that. But Pussy and I very gently will play. She says, Pussy and she, they both gently, very nicely they play. Not hurting each other, okay? Not, they are not playing rough game and all. They are playing nice games, okay? I shall sit by the fire. I shall sit by the fire and give her some food. And give her some food. Students, normally winter season people feel cold, so they sit side of the fire. So here this girl and the cat both sit side by fire and give her some food. When she eats something, she gives food to cat also. Look at here. Gives her some food. and Pussy will love me. She says Pussy loves her. As I am gentle and good, because she is so good and gentle. Gentle means she is not hurting, pulling her tail or driving her away or pushing away, not hurting, beating. She is giving nice food to her and she is playing also. So she is not hurting the cat. That's why cat loves her. Even she loves Pussy very much. She says, I love my little Pussy very much. She says, she is also loving Pussy very much. Okay. Students, in this poem, let's see the rhyming words. Warm, harm. Warm, harm. And away, play. Away, play. Two sets of rhyming words we can see in this poem. Let's see the difficult words. Warm, W-A-R-M, warm. Hurt, H-U-R-T, hurt. Harm, H-A-R-M, harm. Drive, D-R-I-V-E, drive. Gentle, G-E-N-T-L-Y, gently. Fire, F-I-R-E, fire. Tail, T-A-I-L, tail. Okay. Students, let me read this poem once again. I love little Pussy, her coat is so warm, and if I don't hurt her, she will do me no harm. So I will not pull her tail nor drive her away, but Pussy and I very gently will play. I'll sit by the fire and give her some food, and Pussy will love me as I am gentle and good. I love my little Pussy very much. Okay. Students, our next topic in English grammar is vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels in English alphabets. They are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Remaining all the 21 letters are called consonants. B, C, D, F, G. B, C, D, F, G. H, J, K, L, M. N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Okay. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are called consonants. Understand? Let us see the exercises. A. Write vowels in the boxes to make different words. What is this? Leg. L-E-G, leg. L-O-G, log. What is this? Pen. P-E-N, pen. This is pan. P-A-N, pan. This is hat. H-A-T, hat. This is hut. H-U-T, hut. What is this? Map. M-A-P, map. This is mop. M-O-P, map. Cup. C-U-P, cup. Cap. C-A-P, cap. This is bun. B-U-N, bun. This is bin. B-I-N, bin. Let's see. L-E-G, leg. L-O-G, log. P-E-N, pen. P-A-N, pan. H-A-T, hat. H-U-T, hut. M-A-P, map. M-O-P, mop. C-U-P, cup. C-A-P, cap. B-U-N, bun. B-I-N, bin. Here, exercise B. Write correct consonants in the blanks and complete the words. First one, goat. What is this? Goat. G-O-A-T. Here only vowels written. Consonants you have to write. G. G is a consonant. G-O-A-T. T is a consonant. X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. A is written. X-R-A-Y. Consonants you have to write. P-U-D-D-L-E. Here vowels are written. Consonant you have to write. P-U-D-D-L-E. Written. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Rabbit. R. A is written. B-W-I-T. Rabbit. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Let's see. Goat. G-O-E-T. X-ray. X-R-A-Y. Puddle. P-U-D-D-L-E. Watch. W-A-T-C-H. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Shoe. S-H-O-E. Shoe. Now see next. Exercise 3. C. Fill in the blanks with the different consonants to make rhyming words. Read them aloud. M-A-P. Map. T-A-P. Tap. C-A-P. Cap. Now, far. F-A-R. Far. C-A-R. Car. J-A-R. Jar. Far. Car. Jar. Okay. Now, B-I-G. Big. D-I-G. Dig. Now, fig. F-I-G. Fig. Big. Dig. Fig. Okay. Bell. B-E-L-L. Bell. Fell. F-E-L-L. Fell. W-E-L-L. Well. Bell. Fell. Well. L-I-G-H-T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. This is tight. T-I-G-H-T. Tight. Or R-I-G-H-T. Right also. Okay. Light, fight, right. Or tight. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Found. F-O-U-N-D. Found. Round. R-O-U-N-D. Round. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Drain. D-R-A-I-N. Drain. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Okay. Repeat. Far. Yeah. Map. Tap. Cap. Far. Car. Jar. Big. Dig. Fig. Bell. Fell. Well. Light. Fight. Tight. Alright. Sound. Found. Round. Brain. Drain. Train. Next is common words and proper common nouns and proper nouns. This I'll teach you in next class. Let us go to the next topic, making new words. Okay, there is a connection to this and this, so I'll complete this first. Make new words by adding just one letter after each word given below. Write the new word in the blanks. You have to add only one letter. P-L-E-A. Plan plus T. Plant. You can see the plant. Here can plus, look at the picture, E you have to write. Then it become cane. You know sugar cane? Yes. Look at this. Third picture, C. What is this? Came. C-A-M-E. Came plus L. You can see what is this? Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. This is what? Let's see. B-U-S. Bus plus H. It will become bush. B-U-S-H. Bush. You can see here. What is this fifth picture? P-A-I-N. Pain plus T. It is become paint. P-A-I-N-T. Paint. Look at this picture. B-O-W. Bow is written. L let us write. Then it will become bowl. B-O-W-L. Last letter you have written. C-A-N plus E. Cane. Then C-A-M-E plus L. Camel. Bus. B-U-S plus H. Bush. You can see here. Pain plus T. Paint. Look at here. Bow plus L. Bowl. Okay. Let us go to next exercise B. Make new words by adding just one letter before each word given below. Write the new word in the blanks. You added here last, no? Now you have to add one letter before the given word. Okay. Let's see. S plus nail. Snail. Look at the picture. Snail. Now ox is written. You can see the picture. What you have to write? Box. B plus O-X. It is become box. You can see the box here. Hair is written H-A-I-R. If you add C here, then it will become C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Then it will become chair. See here. Next, what is this? Loud is written. Then you have to add C. Cloud. C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. Can you see here? Yes. Now, this is what? Let's see. Able written. A-B-L-E plus T add. Let us add T. This is T-A-B-L-E. Table. Table. Okay, this is, what is this? Let's see. Age plus, here if you add C, then it will become cage. C-A-G-E. C plus A-G-E. Cage. Okay. Who am I? Who am I? Choose your answers from the pictures given below. First one. I have 4 legs, but I cannot walk. I have 2 arms, but I cannot work. I have a back, but I cannot bend. Who am I? Who am I? Look at the picture. Who am I? I have 4 legs. Can you see 4 legs? But I cannot walk. I have 2 arms. Can you see? 2 arms, but I cannot work. I have a back, but I cannot bend. Who am I? Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. I have 12 numbers on my face. I have 12 numbers on my face. I have 2 hands. You can see 2 hands, but no legs. I show you the time. Who am I? Clock. C-L-O-C-K. Clock. I am made of wax. Yes. I give you light. The longer I stand, the shorter I grow. Who am I? Candle. C-A-N-D-L-E. Candle. Fourth one. I am made of paper, but I am not a book. I am shaped like a diamond, but I am not hard. I have a tail, but I am not an animal. I fly in the sky, but I am not a bird. Who am I? Kite. Okay? Okay, enough this much. Okay, students.